very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. You know, we always used to sing rock and roll songs. But we are getting tired of that rock and roll song, so we have decided to sing a serious song. A real serious song that will make you cry. And it may make us cry. A serious song called Raindrops Are Falling. Ready? Raindrops are falling. They make me cry. If you don't want me, please tell me why. Raindrops are falling, falling for you. And I love you, darling. And that's so nice. If you will leave me, I shouldn't cry. Raindrops are falling, falling for you. And for Raindrops are falling. They're falling for you, but they're falling for him too. The raindrops are falling over him. So what are you gonna do? Don't play anymore. Stop the music. Stop it. Stop it, baby. Stop it. Look what you did to him.
Are you all right?
I'll have to play that song for. All right, I'll finish it. Try.
Are you all right?
Yes, try. All right, buddy. All right. You can do it. Come on. Put yourself together. Come on, fella. You can do it. You've done worse. Get a grip on it. You've done songs that are worse than this. Come on.